When the glass hooked up, and just came in the kit, and I had a little hole right here in the window. Man, I'm gonna see if this item works. We're doing an experimental to see if this gadget works. Like that, we could call Jeffrey Lou. Oh, how you call it? Auto glass, and I help you do your windows. You know what I mean? So you got a little crack and or anything on the window that from a truck driving, you know what I mean? Because you know how you roll on the road and stuff. The people in the road, you get a little crack on the window. So this is very good to see if it works. If it works, you know what I mean? Gonna keep continuing with this channel. Let you know with that.